Good afternoon. Here is news at noon on Obinwannem radio and television station. I am Offo. The headline: Unraveling the recent events in Sierra Leone, a closer look at alleged coup attempt. Offo is the most celebrated tree in Igbo land, Professor Damian. On spot, Manchester City maintain top spot on Leipzig's win. Now the news. Sierra Leone faces a nationwide curfew after an attack on the main military barracks in Freetown, deemed an attempted coup. Government targeted the Wilberforce military barracks, leading to clashes, prisoner releases, and a curfew declaration by Minister Channel Bar. President Bowles' unexpected return thwarted the coup plan, sparking speculations of opposition collaboration with Western strategists linked to the disputed June 2023 elections. Economic motives are suggested, including revolt, mining contracts, strained relations over military mission endorsement, and alleged blacklist. Drawing parallels with events in Niger and the Gambia, the report questions imperial influences in African politics, hinting at a choice for President Bowles between traditional partners and ties with Russia. The narrative emphasizes the importance of geopolitical alliances aligned with Sierra Leone's interests to prevent potential interference from foreign entities. Professor Damian, an expert in African fiction, highlights the significance of Offo tree as the most celebrated tree in Igbo land. He emphasizes its roles as a potent protective object, an antidote for poison, and a symbol of moral uprightness. Professor Obata notes the ritualization of the stake in prayer, representing truth with historical use by the oldest members in a community. He observes a shift influenced by Christianity once against the misuse of substitutes like the crucifix, and stresses the importance of authenticity for its cultural and spiritual significance. The professor details the proper ritual for picking a fallen branch, involving prayers and a specific orientation. He expresses concern about the contemporary fabrication of Offo by individuals with questionable morals, emphasizing its effectiveness requires moral integrity. On sport news, Manchester City secured their top spot in Champions League Group G with a comeback victory over RB Leipzig at Etihad, overcoming a 2-0 deficit. Man City won 3-2 with goals from Erling Haaland, Phil Foden, and a decisive goal by Julian Alvarez.
They'll check it, of course, but it's a shock because City are behind. There's nobody up there with him. He might have to do it alone. He could do that. He has done it. It's a splendid goal. Chipped and chance here, Haaland to make it. Yeah, he's done it. Beautifully taken by Foden. Oh, what a goal that is.
This victory maintains City's flawless record of 5 wins in 5 matches, securing their 7th consecutive season as group leaders. Despite a slow start, Man City's dynamic second half display, led by Alvarez and Jeremy Doku, turned the game around. RB Leipzig, already qualified, takes the 2nd spot in the group, preparing to face Young Boys, while Manchester City faces Red Star Belgrade in their final group stage match. That is the news brought to you by Offo on Obinwannem radio and television stations in Soka, Enugu State in Igbo land. Kindly like, share, and subscribe on our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. Bye for now.